is that, grabber? Where?
Oh, that's
What
grabber.
is
Alright, chat, we back at it again. I know I said I was gonna be more consistent on the channel, but nah. Yes, we got real packs up in this. Wait, hold on. Let me see.
We really gotta smoke outside. We do? Flex on me. Oh, wait. Hey! Julie, stop moving. Taking my video.
Hey, chat.
Let me see.
Just dropped my Sprite.
Let me see. Let me see the fucking phone. Yo, champ. Is it a good camera quality? Yeah, it's actually fine.
Oh, God.
This is actually cute. Oh shit! Why we look cuter in this camera? I kind of want an Android now. I mean, you said you was gonna. We said we was gonna get an Android. I was gonna get an Android and decorate the whole dinner. Can you go get my Sprite, please? My Sprite on the counter.
Ain't no more. I drunk that.
Go get my Sprite.
I drank it.
Yo, chat, he doesn't want to move. Yo, chat, he doesn't want to get my fucking Sprite. I'm gonna fucking tweak out in this bitch, like, for real. Like, does he know who the fuck I am? Like, I will show this bitch Jesus Christ. Before Jesus Christ was Jesus Christ, for real. Yeah. I will stab you with thorns and pour vinegar on you.
Oh, okay.
You can get my Sprite, though.
I'm about to give up. They gonna flag me for that.
Hey, look at my lashes. You got a Twitch on here?
They gonna eat these noodles.
And as always, we thank you for choosing to shop. Macy's Home.
there. Get the